project where we'll talk about two things: the results and the bibliography. At this point, when you get into the results, what we'd like you to write down is something that has to do with the expected results. After you included the literature review, the research questions, the significance, the importance, the ethics, the methodology, what are the results that you might have based on your readings? The expected results section should join the data analysis and possible outcomes that you might possibly have to the questions that you've raised at the very beginning of your research, as if you are answering the question or the questions of your research. Try to give some hints towards what the answer might be or the findings might be for these questions. This is where you might summarize the significance of your work and remind the reader of your research question, and then relate the findings, the expected findings, to your research questions. We know that you might not have time to examine or to find results, but what we'd like you to show is what they or the results might be, what you think after you have these studies and the methodology with the data that you might think of. The other point that we would like to just note briefly to refer to is the list of references that comes at the very end of your research, and the guide that is posted on the Deanship of Learning website is very clear. Go to the guide, look at the format that you want to use and how to list your references, whether in text or at the end of the research proposal within the references list. It's very clear. Just do similar things to what you have with your to your references. You will end up with no mistakes in your list of references. Thanks a lot, and wishing you all the best. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.